Day 40. Bell's about to open. Make 50 before you lose 50. Bell's about to open. Day 40. Using one micro, we're challenging ourselves to make $50 before we lose $50 with one micro. Can it be done? This is day 40. We're up almost $200 with one micro. That would be $2,000 if I was using a mini. But right now we have a mixed signal day, which means it's a red day, but it's also got a bullish tail on it. So it's mixed signal. It can go down, it can go up. I'm going to be very, very careful. We already done some trading here. It looked like it was selling off in the pre-market, and we had made a tiny bit of green on that before it shot straight up right here. We were shorting down in this area down here, and then it shot straight up when we got out. We were out before it shot up. I honestly, because I don't know which way it's going to go, you got to follow the way it's going. And it was going bullish, but you see the same thing happened over here. It's starting to, these pintails are telling me sell, 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 sell. If it breaks and does something over here, I got to give it a shot. You got to give it a shot. But on this trend line area, this is where it did a bear trap. Could be a bear trap. Here's where it's developing on the lower time charts to give us our setup to short. But honestly, it's looking like it wants to just do a lot of head faking, and I don't know what it's going to do. So I'm going to be very, very careful. But honestly, it's looking like it wants. Yeah. It looks like it wants to break down, but it's getting stuck on that trend line, so it's hard to say. And then it's back up over the top of the trend line right here. So you got weakness, strength, consolidation, caution. Very, very caution now. Must be cautious. The day chart, yeah, I can't do anything with this right now. Okay, now it's breaking down again. It's coming down into this area right here where there's a support level. See what it does right here. See what it does right here. Oh boy. Oh, I wanted to do it. I want to do it. I want to do it. I want to do it.
Order filled.
Go ahead. Go down. There you go. Break
Stop
even.
filled.
Oh, I put it on break even. I would have broke even too fast. Right here. We got from here to here. And we're up some more. Yeah, I would have been stopped out for a full loss because my stop was right here. I wanted this breakdown right here, and I got a 1-to-1 on it. I didn't get the 1-to-1, but it accomplished a 1-to-1, which was good. Being quick in this opening bell market area time is very, very hard. And getting the 1-to-1 that you're looking for can be tricky. The biggest thing right now for me to do is just don't lose money. Don't lose. Make sure that I have my risk, I manage my risk very well. That's the most important thing. Manage risk. It could be getting ready to roll again here. I'm not really liking what I'm seeing here. I mean, it hasn't really gotten much lower than where I got out. and it's went over the top, could have shorted here and got stopped out. I don't know. It's just, I've learned that if it gives me EBGBs in my gut, to not trade. Unless I am 100% convinced that I understand what's going on. So now we're getting this megaphone pattern again. It should bounce right here if it is a megaphone. Let's see what it does. If it keeps going, it might be telling us what direction it's deciding finally. Let's get over to the 250 tick chart. Okay, this looks good. This looks good.
Order filled.
Go down to the red line. Come on. Go down to the red line. Go down. There you go. Break even. Go down. Go down. Go down.
Stop filled. Order canceled.
All right, we got a couple more bucks on it. Let me see what I would have gotten on that. Get in here, stop loss here. Didn't quite get to 1-to-1 yet. Breaking even with a couple, making some ticks on it. Breaking even is, if I can do that 90% of the time, never hit my stop loss, or just drag my stop lower and reduce my risk. There's the 1-to-1. Then I'm okay with that. If I can eventually be consistent with that, then I can go up to a mini, and instead of making $50, I can make $500. So I'm just getting the skills down. I gotta go. It's too choppy in here. Let's go up to a 500 tick. 1,000 tick. Let's see what we got. This will give me a better view. 5-minute chart looks, it wants to sell off. But it's done that here and failed, here and failed. You know, that's why it's difficult. That's why it's difficult. And this pattern on the 15-minute chart, big block down, big blocks up, way up again, another block down. And I mean, there might be a setup here where I can find something. It's got to be low. This is a low risk setup here. I mean, this is a decent little setup here. Right here. That would have worked. That trade would have worked. See, it did not get 1-to-1 before coming back up, and stop would have been a full stop loss. If I don't take my stop down and break even, I'd rather get 2 ticks than a full stop loss. So it's just the way I like to trade. Technically, it's just going sideways and developing another bullhorn pattern here. Megaphone pattern. Very, very difficult to trade. Very difficult. You can see it better right here. Megaphone pattern. It's the hardest pattern to trade, period. Hardest pattern to trade. Well, you know what? If I end today a little profitable and I'm able to just withhold, deny myself from taking trades that are just not reasonable, then I won today. But thank God. Yeah, it's going sideways and choppy. So, well, that's all I'm going to do on this video. So 10 minutes. There's no reason for me to waste any more time on it. I will see you on the next video, if I can sign out.